Let's start with the body slam. iPhone 15 Pro Max sleek, Samsung's 23 Ultra. Not bad either, bigger, bolder, and ready to rumble. Apple's titanium frame versus Samsung's armor aluminum. Who's got the stronger build? Medieval knights and futuristic sci-fi collide. On the left, we've got Apple's fancy LTPO Super Retina, XDR OLED, Samsung's elegant screen, the dynamic AMOLED 2X, chilling in the right corner. These screens are so sharp, they could slice through glass like a hot knife through butter. But who's the boss? iPhone 15 Pro Max, iOS 17, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, Android 13 with One UI 5.1, iOS versus Android. The never-ending showdown. In the chipset corner, we have the Apple S17 Pro, a tiny 3nm powerhouse battling the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, a slightly bigger 4nm beast. It's a sci-fi movie, but with more pixels and fewer aliens. Mind mayhem. Both phones have 8GB of RAM, but the Galaxy S23 Ultra goes all out with a whopping 12GB. Storage-wise, they're neck and neck with 256GB, 512GB, and an astounding 1TB of ROM. Nope, no memory cards for you, buddy. iPhone 15 Pro Max, 48MP 12 MOP telephoto, 12MP ultra-wide cameras. Triple the fun, shoots 4K Vs like a pro, Hollywood style. Galaxy S23 Ultra, stealing the spotlight with a quad camera extravaganza. This camera has a huge 200MP wide, 210MP telephoto, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. Picture perfect. And you know what? 8-take videos? Mind-blowing. iPhone got served. Time for a selfie. Say cheese. Both phones have fancy 12MP selfie cams that shoot 4K so you'll look fab while vlogging or posing. It's like having a tiny stalker on your phone. It's all about noise. These phones have speakers that will blow your mind. Oops, no headphone jack, so wave bye-bye to your old-school headphones. Now for comms, they've got all the fancy stuff. Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC. They've got your back when it comes to positioning. GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, and stuff. Both have USB Type-C, but the right side, champ, is all about USB 3.2 for super fast data transfers. Both phones have all the cool stuff like Face ID sensors and even a barometer. Same old techie features, but they team up to make your phone experience awesome. Whether you're app-hopping fitness tracking or just chilling without glitches, both phones got you covered for a breezy digital life. The iPhone 15 Pro Max packs a 4,422 mAh battery and charges in cool ways, like wireless MagSafe. Phone magic, behold, the mighty Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. It boasts a whopping 5,000 mAh battery and charges like lightning with 45 watts wired power. It's like giving your battery charger a turbo boost. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes in fancy shades like black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium, and natural titanium, pocket-sized luxury wheels. But wait, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is like a rainbow. It comes in phantom black, green, lavender, cream, lime, sky blue, graphite, and red. Now, let's talk moolah. The iPhone 15 Pro Max kicks off at $1,199, while the Galaxy S23 Ultra joins the party at a similar price. It's a neck-and-neck race. Who'll triumph in the price brawl? The epic showdown. iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Galaxy S23 Ultra. Who will win? Two amazing phones, each with their own bag of tricks. Which one fits you best? You pick, duel it out. Comment your thoughts, like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more outstanding tech battles. Get ready for the next big battle.